से पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंधी है हवा, मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। ओ क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी, गर्म गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। जिंदगी तो है बताशा, मीठी मीठी सी है आशा, चक ले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले इसे। तुझ में अगर प्यास है, बारिश का घर भी पास है। रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला, संग संग तेरे आकाश है। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। खुल गया आसमां का रास्ता, देखो खुल गया। मिल गया खो गया था जो से तारा, मिल गया मिल गया। रोशन हुई सारी जमीन, जगमग हुआ सारा जहां। उड़ने को तू आजाद है, बंधन कोई अब है कहाँ। धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू।
A very happy morning
and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Light symbolizes brightness and prosperity. It removes the forces of darkness and gives us positivity. With this noble thought, let us start this beautiful morning by lighting the lamp in front of goddess Saraswati, Ganpati, and the photos of Bansal Ma'am and Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Ganpati and Saraswati are the symbols of knowledge, music, art, wisdom, and nature. I request our Principal Ma'am and Headmaster Dinesh Sir to light the lamp.
Asato ma sadgamaya
From ignorance, lead me to truth.
tamaso ma jyotirgamaya
From darkness, lead me to light.
mrityorma amrutam gamaya.
From death, lead me to immortality.
Om
Shanti,
Shanti
Shanti.
Shanti.
May the divine power bless us all with knowledge and wisdom.
Who is the youngest? Parag. Yes, come. Come. अनिरुद्ध सगळ्यात लहान मुलांनी.
Thank you, everyone.
Guru is Brahma, who is the Lord of creation. Guru is Vishnu. Guru Devo Maheshwara means Guru is Shiva. Since Guru leads to the path of light, Guru is Parabrahma. I bow down to that Guru who is the embodiment of Parabrahma. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Let us celebrate the day, and to begin this celebration, I would like to call Mr. Aditya Lalit, our young and talented teacher who wants to share something with you.
A recipe?
It seems it's a surprise.
Recipe,
Even I don't know. Let's welcome him on stage. Sir, it's all yours.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. And happy Teachers' Day to everyone. I would like to sing a song for you.
Oh. Wow.
Wow.
Okay. या जन्मावर या जगण्यावर शतदा प्रेम करावे. या जन्मावर या जगण्यावर शतदा प्रेम करावे. शतदा प्रेम करावे. शतदा प्रेम करावे. या जन्मावर या जगण्यावर शतदा प्रेम करावे. चंचल वारा या जलधारा भिजली काळी माती. चंचल वारा या जलधारा भिजली काळी माती. हिरवे हिरवे प्राण तशीही रुजून आली पाती. फुलेला जरी बघून कुणाचे, फुलेला जरी बघून कुणाचे हळवे ओठ स्मरावे. या जन्मावर या जगण्यावर शतदा प्रेम करावे. रंगांचा उघडून या पंखा सांज कुणीही केली. रंगांचा उघडून या पंखा सांज कुणीही केली. काळोखाच्या दारावरती, काळोखाच्या दारावरती नक्षत्रांच्या वेली. सहा ऋतूंचे सहा सोहळे, सहा ऋतूंचे 6 सोहळे येथे भान हरावे, या जन्मावर या जगण्यावर शतदा प्रेम करावे, शतदा प्रेम करावे, शतदा प्रेम करावे, या जन्मावर या जगण्यावर शतदा प्रेम करावे.
Wow, wonderful. For a change, feast for our ears. Thank you, आदित्य सर. आवडलं? हे गाणं तुम्हा सर्वांसाठी होतं, तुम्हा सर्वांना समर्पित होतं. मला पूर्ण कल्पना आहे की हा शिक्षक दिनाचा कार्यक्रम आहे आणि गाणं अजिबात शिक्षकांसंदर्भात नव्हतं, पण असा कुठे नियम आहे? आजचा दिवस तुमचा आहे आणि तुम्हाला आवडेल तेच तुम्हाला आणि आम्हाला करायचं आहे, असा नियम आहे खरं तर.
Absolutely, Neha ma'am. We will celebrate Teachers' Day in our own PPSNC style. This celebration is to remember the struggles and success stories of our fraternity. This is the second year in a row we are not able to meet our colleagues, friends and our beloved students. But still, we are holding our spirits high and hopes above all to see the school running more than normal. My dear teachers, UNESCO proclaimed 5th October to be the World Teachers' Day in 1994. World Teachers' Day is observed on 5th October to recognize the efforts of educators across the globe. It is also known as International Teachers' Day. It is celebrated by United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO, in partnership with United Nations Children's Fund, that is UNICEF, and International Labour Organization and Educators International. On October 5th, 1966, the Special Intergovernmental Conference had been convened in Paris. This conference was held to analyze issues affecting teachers and their profession. A document, Recommendations Concerning the Status of Teachers, was signed by the International Labour Organization and UNESCO. The recommendations sets benchmarks regarding the rights and responsibilities of teachers. In India, we celebrate it every year on 5th September.
Yes, Rohini ma'am. And to know why 5th September, I would like to call Anuradha ma'am on stage. Anuradha ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम. सबसे पहले आप सबको शिक्षक दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. इंसान के जीवन में शिक्षक का महत्व सबसे ऊपर होता है. वो एक व्यक्ति के चरित्र, क्षमता एवं भविष्य को संवारने का काम करता है. हिंदी साहित्य जगत के महान संत कवि कबीरदास जी ने भी अपने इस दोहे के जरिए शिक्षक के महत्व को उजागर किया है. वे कहते हैं कि करे दूरी अज्ञानता, अंजन ज्ञान सुदय, बलिहारी वे गुरु की हंस उबारू जो लिए. अर्थात कबीरदास जी कहते हैं, ज्ञान का अंजन लगाकर शिष्य के अज्ञान दोष को जो दूर करते हैं, उन गुरुजनों की मैं प्रशंसा करता हूँ जो जीवों को भय से बचाते हैं. शिक्षा के प्रति शिक्षकों के इसी योगदान को देखते हुए उनके सम्मान में हर साल 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है. इसकी शुरुआत साल 1962 में हुई थी. तो आइए जानते हैं कि 5 सितंबर को ही शिक्षक दिवस क्यों मनाया जाता है. शिक्षक दिवस डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी के जन्म दिवस यानी 5 सितंबर के अवसर पर मनाया जाता है. वे एक महान शिक्षक थे. इसके साथ साथ वे आजाद भारत के पहले उपराष्ट्रपति और दूसरे राष्ट्रपति थे. उनका नाम भारतीय इतिहास में स्वर्ण अक्षरों से लिखा गया है. 5 सितंबर 1888 को तमिलनाडु के तिरुमणी गांव में उनका जन्म एक ब्राह्मण परिवार में हुआ था. 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाने के पीछे एक कहानी है। कहा जाता है कि एक बार डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन सर्वपल्ली जी से उनके छात्रों ने उनके जन्मदिन का आयोजन करने के लिए पूछा। तब डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन जी ने उनसे कहा कि आप मेरा जन्मदिन मनाना चाहते हैं, यह अच्छी बात है, लेकिन अगर आप इस खास दिन को शिक्षकों द्वारा शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में किए गए योगदान एवं समर्पण को सम्मानित करते हुए मनाएंगे तो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी होगी। उनकी इस इच्छा का सम्मान करते हुए हर साल 5 सितंबर को देश भर में शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। उनका मानना था कि शिक्षकों का दिमाग देश में सबसे अच्छा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि देश को बनाने में उन्हीं का सबसे बड़ा योगदान होता है। बचपन से ही राधाकृष्णन जी एक मेधावी छात्र थे। उन्होंने दर्शन शास्त्र यानी फिलॉसफी में एमए किया था। तत्पश्चात उन्होंने कई प्रसिद्ध विश्वविद्यालयों में दर्शन शास्त्र के अध्यापक के रूप में कार्य किया। शिक्षा को डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन पहला महत्व देते थे। यही कारण रहा है कि वे इतने ज्ञानी और विद्वान रहे। शिक्षा के प्रति रुझान ने उन्हें एक मजबूत व्यक्तित्व प्रदान किया था। वे हमेशा कुछ नया सीखने, पढ़ने के लिए तैयार रहते थे। उन्होंने अपने लेखों और भाषणों के जरिए समूचे विश्व को भारतीय दर्शन शास्त्र से परिचित कराने का प्रयास किया। शिक्षा और राजनीति में उत्कृष्ट योगदान देने के कारण उन्हें अपने जीवन में कई पुरस्कारों से नवाजा गया। उनमें से कुछ पुरस्कार इस प्रकार हैं। 1954 में उन्हें अलंकार भारत रत्न से सम्मानित किया गया। 1962 में डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन जी को ब्रिटिश एकेडमी का सदस्य बनाया गया। पोप जॉन पॉल ने उनको गोल्डन पर भेंट किया। शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में उनका यह योगदान हमेशा याद किया जाता है। इसीलिए हर साल 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाकर डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन जी के प्रति सम्मान व्यक्त किया जाता है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Anuradha. We all PPSNC teachers always look forward to hear our beloved principal ma'am. Her words of wisdom always motivate us and inspire us. Most sought after part of her speech, the short stories. These short stories give us important life lessons. Ma'am, please over to you.
Thank you, Rohini ma'am. And I must congratulate Rohini ma'am and Leena ma'am, because there are so many surprises for me coming up, and the last 2 weeks or so they have utilized in planning this program for today up to the T. Alright, so well done, and as usual together we can make a difference. So there were so many people helping them also, Priya and the technical committee, etc. Anyway, to teach is to touch a life forever. Teaching is about human interaction, about transference of energy, enthusiasm, passion and learning. Happy Teachers Day to all my dear beloved teachers of Pawar Public School, Nanded City. By teachers, I mean the office staff too. Admin and accounts, you are one of the first ones to interact with our parent family, and then we professional teachers take over our roles. In the list of priorities of school reforms, teacher quality stands above everything else. Next comes the principal's leadership. So imagine teacher reforms and the quality of teachers is the most important aspect of a school. Then follows maths, STEAM education and so many more. Most school variables considered separately have small effects of learning, not as much as the teachers. So teachers, you know your importance in the life of a child and in the life of the institution. The real payoff comes when individuals combine to reach critical mass. Now the physics teachers or some science teachers may know what is critical mass. Everybody, you know, when you float a new idea or there is something new to be learnt and implemented, there is always a resistance. People loathe, there is people are averse to picking up something new, and all of us are waiting for the other to take over. Let somebody take over, and the enthusiastic ones also, they may shy off because they don't want to stand out in the crowd. But at Pawar Public School, Nanded City, what I have noticed, I'm assuming and I'm confident also, that we have reached something called as the critical mass. Everybody is joining the movement of accepting new ideas and implementing them. None of us are waiting for one another. उसको करने दो फिर मैं देखूंगी, or why should I do it, why should I stand out, what will my colleagues say. I'm happy to note and tell you and convey to you that all of you are working as well as the other. You are accepting of the changes taking place, more so because of the pandemic. But even if the pandemic were not there, the world is changing, and we would have had to accept so many new concepts. So congratulations to all of you. Whether it's the admin also, they have also changed their ways of interacting with parents, because they are also encountering so many different issues and problems with the parents, and they have learned to handle them very maturely, just as our teachers are doing so. All of you have shown a supportive and responsive attitude towards the children. You are truly a part of the community of professionals focused on good instruction. Today, all of our teachers are dynamic, dedicated professionals with a passion for their jobs. Very rarely you may meet a jaded individual. Jaded means faded, okay? People whose flames are dampened. But remember, we cannot allow our flames to dampen. We cannot say, okay, I have done this for 10 years now, for the rest of my 20 or 30 years of my life, I'll continue doing the same thing. What difference will it make if I read a new book or if I get a new idea? So we cannot allow ourselves to be jaded. Alright? I have recently I've read a concept, thinking inside the box. Everybody knows, and we are talking about thinking outside the box, and NEP 2020 also is motivating us and our children to do that. What about, instead of TGIF, TGIM? I think some of you know what is TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Okay? Because the enthusiasm that all of us show on Friday, because okay, now we are in for a beautiful weekend, okay, aram, rest, okay. What if we think TGIM, thank God it's Monday, okay, and continue and begin our week enthusiastically, professionally, and pass on the same energy and enthusiasm to our children. Okay, let's all do it, and I'm going to do it first period in my 8th class. Okay, you can just write thank God it's Monday, okay, because really you have to thank God that you're seeing a new week. If I have to quote Sadhguru, he says, when you get up in the morning, you have 3 important things to thank for. The first one is thank God you are alive early morning, because 500,000 people, or whatever the statistics are, they die in their sleep. Okay, they get a heart attack. Then you look around and see your family members and thank God that they are also alive. Okay? So bring a smile to your face for all these things. Bring a smile to your face, thank God it's Monday. Okay? Coming back to my stories, I don't have really professional stories for you today. But recently I have heard a story about Bhartrihari. He was a poet from Madhya Pradesh, Ujjain to be specific. Okay? And in one of his Kavya Rachana, he has talked about a drop of water. Okay, a drop of water, when it falls on a really red hot vessel, like a tawa, kadai or something like that, it immediately vanishes in a microsecond. The same drop of water, when it falls on a lotus leaf, the lotus has a waxy coat, so it allows the drop of water to stay nice and round and beautiful, and it starts glistening like a diamond. Alright, and the same drop of water, the story goes, and it's a Kavi Kalpana, I don't know if it is true, that same drop of water, when it enters an oyster, when the Swati Nakshatra is rising in the horizon, that drop of water gets converted to a beautiful pearl. I really love this idea, so I wanted to share it with you. So we have to decide what kind of drop of water we want to be and what kind of surroundings we want to be in. Alright, so it is for all of us to think about. I have another small incident, a small story for you. It is about Steve Jobs and his company Apple and the operating systems that he found out based on, and that Macintosh came into being many years ago. That operating system was relatively new and it was not selling because there were Windows based easier systems. And Steve Jobs was very frustrated because he knew that if this system goes into the market, it will really, and if people start accepting it and understanding it, it will really be a transforming system. So he was wondering what to do, and he approached a person called John Scully. John Scully at that time was the head of PepsiCo sales, and everybody knows how fast Pepsi sells, especially in those days in the 80s and 90s. PepsiCo was really the hot drink, hot meaning it was really selling like hot cakes. All the youth were accepting it, all the countries of the world were accepting PepsiCo. So Steve Jobs asked John Scully whether you could join me and help me in my sales of this operating system because it has to reach to the world. So Mr. Scully said that I'm selling a product which has reached more than half of the population of the world, and your product has not even taken off. It has just got launched and it has died. Okay, so why should I leave my plus job and all the position that I have and the recognition that I have in the world? Everybody knows who's John Scully of PepsiCo. So how can I leave that and join you? So Steve Jobs just made this statement which has made history. John, do you want to spend the rest of your life selling sugary water to the world and spoiling everybody's health? Or do you want to join me and transform the world with my new idea? Okay, and just this statement, it got John Scully to leave PepsiCo and join Apple. And the rest, everybody knows how Macintosh and Apple sells in the world and how people are using it all over the globe. Okay, so teachers, it's up to all of us whether we can transform our children with just small ideas. Alright, because the future of our world, of our country, of our state, of our community is in the hands of the children, and it is we who have to influence the children. Because nowadays parents have no time. There are no grandparents staying in the same house, so that they cannot influence them 24/7. It's just during Diwali or festival time that in many families grandparents meet the children, and even grandparents, sorry to say, but they don't have too many ideas for the grandchildren, just spoiling them, pampering them. Alright, because Dudavarchi Sai, as the saying goes in Marathi. Alright, so teachers, you have a very, very important role to play in the life of our children. Don't take it that, okay, you have got a job and you have to stick to the job to earn your bread and butter. Alright, I'm glad that all of you at Pawar Public School, Nanded City do not have this kind of approach. So please continue the good work. Our management has been very supportive to us, especially in this pandemic, and they have treated us really well. And here's one more letter that Supriya ma'am herself has sent to all of us, and she has requested that I read her message to all of us, to all the Pawar Public School branches on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Dear Dr. Mrs. Anjali Gurjar, another year in which PPS schools, both ICSE and CBSE, have performed with excellence. However, this year's performance is more remarkable because it was achieved in virtual conditions. Congratulations to the entire team and especially for our board results. No praise can be enough for the yeoman service done by our principals, teachers and admin staff in carrying out their duties while having to completely change their mode of interaction with students and colleagues. The teachers trained themselves, upgrading their IT skills and managing their classes through a new medium. All have performed heroically under these unusual and harrowing conditions, and the management would like to record their appreciation of their work, and the results are there for all of us to see. Wishing all the principals, teaching staff and administration office happy Teachers Day. With warm regards, Supriya Suri. Alright, thank you very much for being here on the occasion of Teachers Day. God bless all of you, all of your families. Stay safe, complete your vaccination, and bye-bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those inspiring words. Various dance forms are India's identity and heritage. Dance is a special art form that knows no bounds and can be understood and felt by everyone. I'm glad to have this opportunity to give our colleagues something that they will not forget easily. Let me present our beautiful, energetic and graceful Pritam and passionate, enthusiastic and the newest addition to PPSNC dance department, Pawan. I'm sure all of you will feel extraordinarily devoted after seeing this performance. So here I present Pritam and Pawan. What a performance, Pawan and Preetham. Thank you so much. Teachers, you might be curious to know about another dance form that is solely based on beats. Yes, you got it right. Bollywood dance. And here we have Madhuri's, Meenakshi's and Aishwarya's of Pawar Public School. They will pose your feet to tap on the beats of their fusion, wonderfully choreographed and performed by Preeti, Anuja, Chaya, Meenakshi and Komal.
ਬਦਲੋਂ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਂ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਕੱਚ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਨ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਰੱਖ ਸਾਂਭ ਕੇ ਨੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਤੜਕ ਨਾ ਜਾਵੇ
जिनके दीवाने तुम भी तो हो हंसती गाती लड़कियां खिलखिलाती लड़कियां चाहती सब क्या है ये सुनो इन सब के जवान इनकी धड़कन सुनो जरा सपने क्या है आंखों में दिल में है क्या Girls like to swing. जरा आगे निकल के मैं रंगों में ढल के अंदाज़ बदल के मस्ती में कचीना जीवन रंग पीना ये बात हुई ना
It was an astounding, stunning, wow performance. I envy the flexibility of all these dancers, talented dancers. Wonderful. Absolutely. साहित्य संगीत कला विहीनः साक्षात पशुः पुच्छ विषाणहीनः. अर्थात यदि व्यक्ति में भाव है तो उसे संगीत प्रिय होगा, वो कला का प्रेमी होगा, तथा जो संगीत प्रिय व्यक्ति है उसके अंदर भावों की प्रचुरता होगी. जो व्यक्ति संगीत जानता है वो सामने वाले के भाव पढ़ना भी जानता है. और मैं यह भलीभांति जानती हूँ तथा यह जानकारी रखती हूँ कि आप सभी शिक्षकगण संगीत प्रिय व्यक्ति हैं, क्योंकि आपसे ज़्यादा विद्यार्थियों के भाव भावनाओं को कोई नहीं जानता. तो आइए ऐसी ही एक भाव से भरी संगीत सभा का आनंद उठाते हैं. आर्य गणेशः आर्य परागः महोदया दीपा च अहम निवेदनं करोमि कृपया मंचस्य ऊपरी आगच्छ. अर्थात इसके लिए मैं अपने विद्यालय के सुर, ताल और लय को अर्थात दीपा जी, पराग जी और गणेश जी को मंचासीन होने का आग्रह करती हूँ और इस सब के लिए प्रीति जी का धन्यवाद करती हूँ.
आपल्या सगळ्यांना शिक्षक दिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. हॅपी टीचर्स डे. राग यमन आपल्या भारतीय संगीतामध्ये एक खूप मोठा, सुंदर, वर्सिटाईल आणि एक छान असा हा राग आहे. आणि त्यामुळे फक्त शास्त्रीय संगीतातच नाही, तो उपशास्त्रीय संगीतात, भावगीतांमध्ये, चित्रपट गीतांमध्ये, भक्ती गीतांमध्ये आणि इव्हन फ्युजनमध्ये सुद्धा आपल्याला यमनचे खूप सारे रंग दिसतात. आज शिक्षक दिनानिमित्त आपल्यासाठी काही यमनचे रंग घेऊन आलो आहे.
पालाची नागेना कलना परत मोरे घडी पालाची नागेना येरी आली पिया बिना सखी येरी आली पिया बिना पिया ही राग यमन मधली बंदिश आपल्यासमोर सादर केली आम्ही. भारतीय संगीतामध्ये अतिशय सुप्रसिद्ध असलेला हा राग आणि या रागामध्ये खूप लोकांनी खूप काम केलं. आपल्या मराठी इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये सुधीर फडकेंनी यामध्ये खूप गाणी करून अजरामर केली आणि त्यानंतर हिंदी इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये सुद्धा याचा खूप वापर केला गेला. तर त्यातली काही जुनी गाणी, सुरुवातीला काही भक्तिगीतं दीपामा आपल्यासमोर म्हणतील, गणेश सर म्हणतील आणि त्याला जोडून मग आम्ही हिंदी गाणी सुद्धा आपल्याला ऐकवणार आहोत. तर ही गाणी एकानंतर एक असणार आहेत, त्यामुळे तुम्हीच ओळखा. तुमच्यासाठीच एक मोठं टास्क आहे, कुठलं गाणं येतंय पुढे. पण एकाच रागात एकाच तालात जाणारी अशी गाण्यांची याला मेडले असं म्हणतात म्युझिकल लँग्वेजमध्ये, किंवा मराठीत गाण्यांची शृंखला असं आपण म्हणू शकतो. तर ती मेडले आपल्यासमोर आम्ही सादर करतोय. सुरुवातीला भक्तिगीतं दीपा मॅम सादर करते. त्याच्यानंतर हिंदी इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये कसा राग यमनचा उपयोग झाला किंवा केला गेला आत्ताच्या लेटेस्ट सॉंग्सपर्यंत, म्हणजे जसं की आपल्याला माहिती असेल मोह मोह के धागे हे जे खूप फेमस सॉंग आहे ते राग यमनच्याच आधारित आहे. पण ते आम्ही आता घेणार नाही, आम्ही वेगळी गाणी म्हणणार आहे. पण जी गाणी आम्ही म्हणणार आहेत त्याच्यात एक रेफरन्स म्हणून सांगितलं तर जुन्या काळातली जी खूप फेमस गाणी आहेत, मेलोडियस सॉंग्स आहेत ज्याच्यामध्ये यमनचा वापर केला गेला, तर ते गाणी आम्ही आपल्यासमोर सादर करतोय. सुरुवातीला जरासी आहट आपल्यासमोर सादर करतात दीपा मॅम.
जरा सी आहट होती है तो दिल सोचता है कहीं ये वो तो नहीं, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं. जरा सी आहट होती है तो दिल सोचता है कहीं ये वो तो नहीं, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं, कहीं ये वो तो नहीं. रे गा मा रे सा सा रे पा पा मा रे गा सा रे सा गा पा पा मा.
जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, संकेत मिलन का भूल न जाना, मेरा प्यार ना बिसराना. जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया, तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया, रोने कहोगे तो रो लेंगे, रोने कहोगे तो रो लेंगे. आंसू का हमारे गम न करो, ये बहते हैं तो बहने दो. मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, इन पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो. एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है जो कहने दो. मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, इन पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो. एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर. चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन, धीरे से तेरा ये मुस्काना. मुझे दोष न देना जग वालों, मुझे दोष न देना जग वालों. हो जाऊं अगर मैं दीवाना. चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन. पद पद मब मब गम गम रे गे रे गे रे सा रे गे रे सा रे गे सा. पद पद मब मब गम गम रे गे रे गे सा रे गे रे सा रे गे सा. निगाहें को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है. दिलो जा लुटाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो जा लुटाने को जी चाहता
रे गा
दब बज गा रे रे गा मुलाकात का है जो
ये जान दे दो छुप छुप आने को जी चाहता है आगे न जाने को जी चाहता है जो
आके न जाने को जी चाहता है निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है छाप तिलक सब छीन रे मोसे नैना मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक सब छीन रे मोसे नैना मिलाएंगे नैना मिलाके मोसे नैना मिलाएंगे नैना मिलाके मोसे नैना मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक रस छाप तिलक सब छीन रे मोसे नैना मिलाएंगे ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन ओ लाल मेरी पत चला ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन सिंदड़ी दा सेवन दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अलिदा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अलिदा पहला नंबर हो लाल मेरी हो लाल मेरी हो चार चराग तेरे वर्ण हमेशा सा 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 सनि सा सनि सा सनि सा सनि सा सनि रे रे गा गरे गा गरे गा गरे गा गरे गा गरे 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 सनि सनि रे गरे गा 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 मा 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 Gamada bama gama gada bada maba gamada bada bama gamada bada bama gamada bada gamada bada mama gamada bada mama ni daba ni daba za ni za 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 ni 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 za ni za ni za ni za sa za ni da da ba ma ga de sa sa za ni da da ba ma ga de sa sa za ni da da ba ma ga de sa sa za ni da da ba ma ga de sa gamada ni sa gamada ni sa gamada ni gamada ni sa gamada ni sa gamada ni gamada ni sa gamada ni sa gamada ni sa ओ चार चराग तेरे वर्ण हमेशा चार चराग तेरे वर्ण हमेशा पंजवा में बारण ढाई भला झूल लालन हो पंजवा में बारण पंजवा में बारण लाई भला झूल लालन सिंधीदा सेवन दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर 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 दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर हो धन्यवाद
Stop clapping. Come on. One more big round of applause for music department. What a mesmerizing performance, music department. Thank you so much. Now let us go to the next segment of today's function. Dr. Kumud Bansal was the first chairperson of Pawar Public School Group of Schools in Mumbai and Pune. An IAS of Maharashtra cadre, ma'am spent 12 years of her career in the education sector. She served as the Secretary of Elementary Education and Literacy Maharashtra, as well as the Secretary Education Government of India. She was an officer with a vision par excellence. The Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, the flagship program of Government of India to achieve universalization of elementary education, was her brainchild. She made a deep impact in the field of administration and education. Bansal ma'am was awarded the State Literacy Award in 2001. This was for her contribution to the development of primary education and literacy in the state. Kumud Bansal ma'am passed away on Teachers' Day in 2012. Since then, a special award is instituted in her memory. This award is given to the teachers from the PPS family in recognition of their dedication and exemplary work exhibited in shaping the life of PPS students. I request Principal Ma'am to do the honors.
Thank you, Rohini ma'am. So the first awardee for the day is a very bubbly, enthusiastic, energetic person known to you all as an article writer more than a teacher. She is ever smiling, cooperative, and always on her toes to help and to put her hands on new challenges responsibly. Any guesses?
Yes, I know, ma'am.
You heard that.
Yes,
She is.
yes.
You can say.
She is Amita Saudadikar.
You have guessed right. Yes, she is none other than our loving, caring, bright columnist, teacher from our pre-primary section, Mrs. Amita Saundatikar. Hold on. Amita has joined Pawar Public School 5 years back, and from then she is trying her best to stand out. She has completed her masters in computer management and steered her career to teachership by qualifying teachers training. Her conduct has proved that she has become teacher by choice and not by force. And today ma'am has stamped her efforts. Amita, it's just a beginning. There are many more awards in your way, to come in your way. Congratulations and all the best for your endeavor.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I appreciate it.
Congratulations. Our next awardee is a tall gentleman from the primary section. Anytime you pass by his class, you see students running around or sitting on the floor and doing something. Yes, he follows experiential learning and not teaching with a book, chalk and a board. He's always ready to help. He's bubbling with out-of-box ideas. Yes, you got it right. Here I present Yuvraj Mukund Shiralkar. Yuvraj is a postgraduate in English Literature and Commerce. He possesses a certificate from prestigious Trinity College of London in teaching English to the speakers of other language. Congratulations, Yuvraj, and all the best.
Our next winner.
Thank you, Raj.
Thank you, Yuvraj sir. Our next winner is a young, beautiful lady who is sincere, serene, and hardworking. She is a silent worker and a passionate teacher. She is our science teacher, Mrs. Anuradha Raskar. I would like to call her upon to receive the trophy. Anuradha ma'am has completed her masters in environmental science and attended many educational workshops, including ICER science workshop. We got this gem in our family in 2016. Altogether, she has completed 10 years in this profession. She is ever smiling, very humble, loving, and tolerant teacher, and of course, well liked by all her students. Congratulations, ma'am. May God bless you to achieve all your goals set in your professional life, and all your dreams may come true. Thank you.
Now I am going to introduce to you our next awardee from secondary section. She is always ready to help everyone and never says no. A born beauty, social science expert, Sangeeta Biswas. Sangeeta is a postgraduate in English. She has a very long experience of teaching in CBSE schools. She adds value to every task that she takes up. Congratulations, Sangeeta ma'am, and I wish you all the best.
तर बरं का रोहिणी मॅम, जेव्हा जेव्हा असतो PPS मध्ये समारंभ,
अच्छा.
जेव्हा जेव्हा असतो PPS मध्ये समारंभ, यांच्याशिवाय होत नाही शेवट किंवा आरंभ.
ओके, समझलो. आदर से सबको प्रणाम.
जी जी,
सबके लिए मन में सम्मान.
बिल्कुल,
ये तो है हमारे PPS की शान.
डेफिनेटली.
लीना मैम बरोबर है ना?
एकदम बरोबर. यस, ऑफ कोर्स मॅम, ही इज नन अदर दॅन आवर हिंदी टीचर मिस्टर महेश माने.
तो आइए जानते हैं एक ऐसा व्यक्तित्व जिनका हिंदी विषय में है बड़ा ही प्रभुत्व, लगन और मेहनत है. तो आइए जानते हैं एक ऐसा व्यक्तित्व जिनका हिंदी विषय पर है बड़ा ही प्रभुत्व, लगन और मेहनत है जिनके जीवन का तत्व. सुनते हैं लीना जी से इनका महत्व.
क्या बात है.
धन्यवाद रोहिणी जी, इतनी हिंदी आती है. मैं सर जी हमको इतनी आती है. आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट टू राइट इट इन हिंदी बट वी कुडंट. आइए सुनते हैं इनका महत्व. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की कि हिंदी में लिखूं बट नहीं लिख पाई, सो सॉरी. धन्यवाद रोहिणी जी. माने सर हैज डन हिज मास्टर्स इन हिंदी एंड हिस्ट्री एज वेल. He has an experience of 20 years in the education field as teacher, HOD and principal, and he has tried his hands on many other aspects of education, which cannot be read out here because of time constraint. But all in all, he is a dynamic, humble and an eminent teacher. Sir, we are very happy to have you in our family. Congratulations and God bless you with good health, wealth and prosperity. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
नहीं, थोड़ा सा 1 सेकेंड
जी, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट.
नहीं, वो भी आप बोल रही है, फिर आप बोलेंगे कि आपने माइक का
नहीं आइए सबको सुनाई दीजिए.
सबसे पहले तो धन्यवाद. और थोड़ा डर भी लग रहा है कि HM मैम और रोहिणी जी का हिंदी सुनकर प्रीति जी कुछ गड़बड़ न हो जाए.
गड़बड़ नहीं की ना?
नहीं, हमारी तासिका कम न हो जाए. और बहुत अच्छा, बहुत सुंदर, और हमेशा अंजलि जी का सपोर्ट रहा. और बहुत मुझे यहाँ आने के बाद, मुझे इस स्कूल में आने के बाद, अब ये 5 साल मेरे पूरे हो गए हैं, लेकिन बहुत सीखने को मिला और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. लास्ट ईयर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो के हमारा ये दूसरा चल रहा है, लेकिन लास्ट ईयर बहुत कुछ समस्याएं थी, लेकिन इस बार दिनेश सर जी मैंने बहुत इम्प्रूव किया है. और हमेशा दिनेश सर जी को जाके मैं रिपोर्ट देता हूँ कि मैंने ये सीखा, ये सीखा, ये सीखा. मुझे सबसे सीखने को मिला. धन्यवाद आप सबका, मैं आभारी हूँ.
धन्यवाद माने सर. Here I conclude the
hold ma'am.
Here we conclude the award ceremony. No, not yet.
Not at all.
Oh.
We have few more awardees.
Seriously?
Yes. I request ma'am to come over the stage and announce the awards.
I just have to announce the awards because the award function will take place later on. But we have gathered here today, and everybody should know who are our deserving teachers. One thing outside of the awards, I would like to mention here that Vaishali Andraskar, she has written a book for grade 2 students. Yes. Can we have that? Is it here? It's going to be shown, or it's okay? We can. Okay, it's already being seen, right? It was such a pleasant, great surprise for me that Vaishali Andraskar, because the conventional thinking is that the language teachers, English teachers or SST, they would write a book. That too, Vaishali Andraskar is a secondary and higher secondary grade teacher, and she is writing a book for grade 2 students, and it's such a beautiful book, and the concept that she has taken is so beautiful. Okay, so all of you please take a look at the book, and I'm sure Pandey sir would have ordered the copies. Vaishali Andraskar, if you are listening, please tell Pandey sir how do we get multiple copies of the book, all right, in the school, and I think it will be available online also, so teachers also can have a look at the book. So congratulations, Vaishali ma'am. Some other awards. See, this year online awards are pouring in because the whole world and all of India is acknowledging that teachers have done such an excellent job in the past 18 months. Alright, they have held the fort for all the students. So as usual, IIHM, that is Indian Institute of Hotel Management, Pune, they also have some awards coming to many schools. And this year from our school, the following would be receiving the award on Monday. In the afternoon, they have the online award ceremony, and the certificate trophy will come later. So these winners are Vaishali Chavan, pre-primary, Geeta Kulkarni, primary teacher, Archana Verulkar, secondary teacher. All are star teachers. Everybody is a star, but some of them are better shining stars. Okay, they shine, they have brighter. Yes, thank you ma'am. Brighter stars. Another organization has announced the Bharat Shiksha Ratan Awards 2021. Alright, and the awardees, the winners from our school are Aarti Joshi, Sumangala Gupta ma'am, Rohini Jogekar ma'am, and Gitanjali Naik ma'am. So I think some of them may go to Delhi for the award ceremony next month, but otherwise they will get the certificates, and when the certificates are received in the school, we will definitely announce them and display them. About Bansal ma'am's awards, this year 9 teachers had applied for the awards, and I'm very happy that teachers on their own have confidence in themselves, and they have a good self-esteem, and they apply for the awards. It is not that we tell and motivate you, okay, come on now you apply, and that time you will apply, etc. Okay, so I'm glad all those 9 teachers had applied for the Bansal ma'am awards. But we also have our restrictions, although everybody, each of you is a bright shining star, we also have our restrictions. See, the awards will lose their significance if, every year all of you start getting the trophies. And that is why there is room, at the, it's a pyramid shape, so there is room for only a few people at the top. And I'm sure all of you teachers, all the 113 teachers who are logged in today, admin staff, and everybody, will work towards winning the awards. See, the award is there, you might say it's only for a day or two, or when children score 90% marks, we say okay, in 2 days everybody will forget and we have to get back to our work. So we have to get back to our work, no doubt about it, but with what approach and attitude we get back to our work is important. Okay, so congratulations all the award winners, and teachers, all the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I conclude the award ceremony here. Heartiest congratulations to all fellow teachers. Wish you all the best and have a great success ahead. God bless each one of you. Thank you. Now I request Rohini ma'am to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, Leena ma'am. Someone has said that influence of good people and good teachers can never be erased. I wish to add that the experience of being in the company of good people can never be erased too. But as always, it's time to say bye with a promise and hope to meet everyone in person. I feel extremely honored to say a big thank you to all of you for being patient spectators. On the performance of the day, we will always be indebted to you for your enthralling performances. You added a color of sur tal to our lovely morning. As always, me and Leena ma'am, along with all of you, are indebted to our principal ma'am for everything that she does for all of us. She is a source of inspiration. We pray to Almighty that her words of wisdom and encouragement be with us till eternity. My Thanksgiving will not be complete without thanking our technical team, that is Priya Ambedkar ma'am, for her expertise in technology, and of course Prasad sir. We thank our art department for this wonderful backdrop, and of course Kedar sir for his support in videography of dances and music show and today's entire show. A sincere thanks to all the Maushis and Dadas for their tireless support. They always add value to our program with their dedicated and untiring backing. Without them, no PPSNC function can go so smoothly. Lastly, our admin and accounts department. Their financial support always fuels us, our engines, to work at maximum possible horsepower. Thank you each one of you to be a valuable member of PPSNC family. Before we say bye-bye to each other, let's all call upon the Almighty to bless us with hope, health and happiness.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani paschyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Ma'am, with your permission, shall we call the day off? So can they log out now? All of you can log out and have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.